Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Gengar in Pokémon Legends Arceus. Start by advancing the main research until you can enter high threat zones and unlock stronger spawns. Track Alpha Gengar by checking area spawn reports and listening for distinct roars. Use stealth approaches with smoke bombs, then bait with high damage throws to weaken it. Keep healing items ready and a quick escape plan if it overwhelms you. Travel to known spawn locations and prioritize night cycles when Alpha Gengar is most active. Fast travel to a camp, rest until evening, and approach edges of ruins quietly to avoid immediate aggro. If you see a large shadow or hear a deep roar, ready your strongest throws and status moves. Record each encounter location in your notes so you can return faster next time and save resources for tougher fights. Approach quietly using smoke bombs to avoid a full-on battle and set up a capture window. Apply status moves that lower its attack or slow movement, then land a few strong throws to chip health away. Switch to heavy capture tools when the health bar is low and keep healing items at hand in case it breaks free. If things go south, retreat and reset the spawn to try again calmly and smarter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.